Hello, I'm Nancy Alexander from Ladybug Wreaths and from Ladybug Certified. I want to show you something special today, and it is something that Ladybug Wreaths uses that no one else has, because we have a lady who lives in the hills of Kentucky who goes out and harvests birch and beech, and she makes our own wreaths for us. This is what I call, if I don't get stuck, a wild birch wreath. There are sticks that come out the top, there are sticks that come out the bottom. Sometimes they're just a little bit lopsided, but that's fine with me, because when I start putting stuff in, I might put a mushroom in that spot. Our birch wreaths are exclusive only to us. We love using them. We are totally spoiled. I would never use another type of wreath again unless I just had to. But I just wanted to show it to you. We're always talking about our wild birch wreaths, and you see them finished, but you don't see it too much in its raw form before we do anything to it. So, thanks for joining me. I'll be back another time with a tip for you. Bye.